Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link bank account to TikTok. Go ahead and launch your TikTok application. Tap on your profile icon. Then here, you can see the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Tap on balance here. You need to click on order. So click on monthly earnings. Alright, there you will get a prompt to complete your payout information. Okay, once set up, you will receive payout on the 15th of every month if eligible. Click on setup now, then click on payment method. So as you can see, it will automatically dictate your country and region. So it will give you options like bank and all the other ones. Okay, so now you need to fill out this form and submit. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.